Hello Year Sixes, I'm just going to show you how to insert a link so that all the other students can see it. Because if you insert a link the same way you've been doing on the spreadsheets, only the teachers will be able to see it. So what you're going to do is you'll have this slide for inquiry. You'll find your class, so say you're in room 17, you click on that. And then you open your passion project in another slide. So say here's my passion project. I want to click the share button up here. And then you click get shareable link. And you want to make sure it's on anyone at Hauraki School with the link can view. Once you've got that, you copy it, Control C or Command C if you have an Apple computer, and then you go into your class slide. So I just paste it here, and then anyone that clicks on that will be able to open it. If you've done your passion project in a different way, such as a poster, you'll just insert that the same way you've been inserting your art by going Insert, Image, and then Camera. Or if it's already on your computer, you just upload it from your computer. Alright, that's all for now. See ya.